Hello everyone, welcome to this Calculus 1 online class. In this video, I'm going to tell you things you're supposed to do this week, the first week. You might think this is as a orientation video. Okay. Okay, so let's go to our course shell in D2L. As you can log in your account and go to the course shell, you can see this welcome page, announcement page, and then you can start from there, or you can go to this course content here, and when you click the course content, uh, let me just view this course content as a student. So this is what you're supposed to see. Go to the course content, and you can start with the module 0. uh, there is a instructor letter. It's my welcome letter, and you can just read the information here. I have made one, my introduction video for you, so you can watch this video as well for my brief introduction about my teaching career and myself. And this is where you can find some information, and after that just click here, go to the next page. To go to the next page, and this is about calculus 1 introduction. What is calculus? And here is the information about this module. There will be six more modules. Module 0 is for the introduction. Module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are for the course content. And just read this thing. And for this course, we are going to use MyLabs Plus for the homework assignment. So you just have to click this link for the link provided here for the MyLab Plus. Here is the course syllabus. If you click it, then you can find the course syllabus, or maybe you can go just using this next tab here, and there is a course syllabus. You can find the information about my contact information. These are my office hours: Monday and Wednesday 8 a.m. to 12 p.m., Tuesday and Thursday 11 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. These are my hours, office hours. I strongly recommend you to make an appointment with me if you'd like to meet me during these hours, or maybe any other hours if these hours are not good for you. And then if you would like to meet me during these hours, you can also just click this link. uh, this is the Zoom meeting room where you can find me during these hours. But one more time, I would strongly recommend you to make an appointment, so that you don't have to wait. Okay, so that's for my office hour. And read this, the policies for this course. All the information is given here. You must read the syllabus thoroughly. Okay, and then so so in this course, you have to do homework assignments, which is in MyLab Plus, and there will be proctor exams. And for the proctor exams, you need webcam and microphone, internet, all these things. And for the proctor exam, we're going to use the honor log. All this information is given here, so read the syllabus properly. And then this is the course schedule. You can find module 0, the things we're going to cover and things you're supposed to do, and then due dates for the assignments you're supposed to do. For example, you need to complete the module 0 assignments, which is orientation assignments, by this Friday, January 8, 11:59 p.m. So in this module, you have to introduce yourself in introduction thread. In discussion, you have to take the syllabus quiz, and to take the syllabus quiz, you have to read the syllabus thoroughly, properly, and then you must receive 100% for the in the syllabus quiz to make this content available for the next content available to you. After that, there is a calculus readiness diagnostic exam in D2L. This is optional, but I strongly recommend you to take it so that you'll see, how much you are ready for the course. And then there is a analog practice exam. Because we are using analog to proctor the proctor exams, so you need to know how to use this, and that analog practice assessment is going to help you to understand the process. And the due date for this assignment is January 15, as you can see. So after that, there are more modules like week 1 to 3. There is a module 1 you need to cover. Week 4, you have to take the proctor exam 1, and then 5, 7, all the information it's given here. And then finally you have to focus here the mind labs plus homework assignments we do. That's what 15% of the course grade. Mind labs plus module exams, there will be 6 module exams in mind labs plus, that's a 15%. And in the discussion forum you need to post your you need to reply the answer I have asked there, and that is 10% of your course grade. I'm going to read your your answer replies, and then I'm going to give you the feedback. And there will be altogether 4 proctor exam 1, 2, 3, and proctor final exam. And proctor exam 1 worth 10% of your course grade. Proctor exam 2 and 3, they worth 15% each of your course grade. Proctor final exam is 20% of your course grade. And this is how you are going to you will be assigned the grade A, B, C, D, and F. So read this syllabus completely, and then after that you can go to the next page, and that's where I have given you it's a assignments schedule. This is just a you know I strongly recommend you to just print this PDF file, and it will help you what are the assignments you need to finish by which due dates. For example, this week by January 8, you need to you have to make the introduce video, or you have to introduce yourself in D2L. I recommend you to make the introduction video of 1 or 2 minutes and post it. You have to take the syllabus quiz, and you have to take the calculus diagnostic test in D2L. That is optional, but I would strongly recommend you to take this. Because this is your first week, so I will make this 3 assignments available by Sunday midnight. Okay, and then these are all upcoming assignments. Just take a look, the due dates, and then just make a plan, accordingly. Make sure that these due dates you are supposed to work. you know I would not wait until the very last minute, because we have to depend on this technology. Sometime something might happen, so instead of waiting for the last minute for that kind of thing, just try to finish your assignments at least 1 day before the due date, so that you don't have to face with those technical difficulties. So just make sure that. And because we're using the analog for the proctor exam, uh, you need to take the analog practice assessment in D2L, and by January 15, and you must make sure that you get the 100%. After you take this assessment, I'm going to see your exam. I'm going to see your video, and then I'm going to give you the feedback. If you don't get the 100%, that means you will not be able to take upcoming proctor exams, and I'm going to give you the feedback what are you supposed to do if you have not done things properly. Okay, so print this assignments schedule in advance, and it also helps you, when is your proctor final exam. This is April 13, available April 28. So, and plan accordingly. And if you go to the next page, it will tell you to take the syllabus quiz, and you take that syllabus quiz. And only after getting 100% in syllabus quiz, the module 1 will be available for you. So module 1 is not here. That will be available only after you complete the syllabus quiz. And then after that, to take this honor assignments, honor practice assessment, you have to, there is an honor folder here. Here is the honor folder. Just click here this about honor link, and it will tell you about the honor. If you go to the next page, there is a link for the requirement, system requirement. And if you go to the next page, there is a tutorial video to take any honor assignments, any proctor exams or any proctor assignments using the honor just click it, and then there is a tutorial video. Okay, so watch that video and go to the next page. And there are some frequently asked questions about the honor and there is an honor dashboard. If you click there, you will see the assignments you need to take, and some of the assignments are not available for you because I need to make it available. Here is the honor practice assessment. Instead of this results and setting, you have launch proctoring kind of tab or exam stats tab here. Just click that one and take that honor practice assessment. Okay, and you have the time for that. By next week you have to do that honor practice assessment, but this week finish the syllabus quiz and take calculus readiness diagnostic exam here. And after taking the syllabus quiz, the next module will be available, and there is a interaction discussion forum. If you click the interaction here, you can see you need to answer these two questions. I prefer the video interaction, and after that, yeah, so post in interaction forum, and after that there is a My Lab Plus student link. You have to click this link and it will take you to the My Labs Plus, and then you have to log in your My Labs Plus if you already have account. Otherwise you have to create the new account, and you also have to pay for this. It gives you the books electronic version, and then all the homework assignments will be assigned in My Labs Plus. And after you finish all this thing, let me go back to the instructor view, because I cannot view all the assignments because I need to finish the syllabus quiz. After finishing that, if you go back to the course content, you will be able to see module 1, module 2 proctor exam, module 3 proctor exam 2, module 4. It's like that. And if you click the module 1, in each module you're going to find the introduction of that module, what is that module about, and what are the things you need to read, the reading uh, chapters from the from this book by Dale Hoffman. If you click that link or chapter, you'll be able to see all the content from that chapter. And then if you go to the next page, you'll be able to find the learning videos, or maybe you can go back in here and then you can directly find those video about that chapter. Here is the learning videos. If you click the learning videos here for the module 1, you have to literally watch these videos about the course content. If you click it, So as you can see that this video is 1 hour 32 minutes. It will introduce about the topic you need to cover for this module, like limits of function, the algebra of limits, and all these things. And after watching all this video, you will be able to do the assignments you have assigned in MyLabs Plus. Okay, and you go to the MyLabs Plus and do the assignments. Okay, so that's how you keep going, like for the module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, and module 6. But this week you have to do module 0. Okay, so a couple of things I would like to give you at the end. Read the syllabus, do the syllabus quiz, create the My Labs Plus account by clicking the link given here, and print out this assignments schedule so that you can plan accordingly in advance. And keep in mind, in this course it is your responsibility to finish all the assignments by these due dates. So make sure that you have at least one extra days before the due date. Okay, so if something happens at the end of the time, like if you wait for the last minute and something happens, you will not be able to finish the assignments, and I will think it's because of your negligence. So I strongly recommend you to do the assignments one at least finish the assignments 1 day prior to this due dates. Okay, and one more time I would like to welcome you in this course, and you know uh, if you'll have any questions, any kinds of confusion, you can always contact me, and feel free to do that, and then we can go from there. I'm here to help you, and all the best.